Big giant package.
We just got a package for the baby. Jumperoo. You want to try the Jumperoo? Yeah? Yeah? So guys, so today we got this Skiphop Jumperoo. Got for the baby, so we're gonna open it up, and it's not for you, Abe, it's for the baby. Yeah, it's for the baby. So I got this jumper because it's foldable and we don't have a lot of space. We already got a bunch of baby stuff in the house and we needed something that would fold up like this. And then it has a jumper that counts the baby's jump, so I really like it. So we're gonna... And our baby is 4 months old and he's very active and he needs something to put his energy into. So we're gonna put this up together and we'll see if the baby likes it. You think the baby's gonna like it, Yomi? It's a baby Jumperoo! Abe! Is it a baby Jumperoo, Abe? Okay, let's open it up. So let's check it out, the box. It says tracks baby jumps. And then it has a light up bounce counter. It folds flat and it's for 4 months and up. And my baby's just turned 4 months. Here's a little baby that's gonna use the jumper. He's 4 months old. You think you like it, buddy? You think you like it, buddy? Okay. So we already open it up. Let's open it.
Pull it.
Pull it up, Naomi. Pull the parts. Okay, one. We got, oh darn, be careful. Okay, so Naomi's gonna pull out this part. So we got 2 of this. That corner. And then we got this.
Hey, this is not yours. You can have the older one.
Okay, so we just ran out of battery for the flash. We got this one for the body. And then we got this for the Jumperoo.
I'll get the old one for Abe.
Okay, so that's... I think it only has 3 parts. What is this? Oh, there's a bunch of toys. These are toys. I think that's all. Yep, that's all. So let's read the manual. Part is this part. Let's put it on the table. So this is where the baby's gonna sit down. So I just opened 2 of these boxes and one of this has the manual. And then there's the baby. So let's put the toy. So there's the toy. And then there's some hardware over here. And then on this box. So in this box we got the counter. So this is the counter. There's actually more accessories over here. Can you get it out, Naomi? Can you show it to us? Be careful, hey, be careful, you're gonna break it. There's a... See, there's the bumblebee. Naomi, be careful. Okay. Oh, there's a mirror hedgehog.
Can I look? Can I look at it? Yeah, hold it.
And there's the fox. For this assembly, you would need a scissors, a Phillips screwdriver, because you need to attach this 2 screws on the base, on both the base. So let's start with that. So you're gonna put this these 2 handles. It's not handles, but it's the body, I think. So let's put them opposite to each other, like this, like that, and like that. So that way. And we're gonna put this base, one of the base, attach it, I think. So I'm using my other hand to hold the camera, so this is not very easy. So you can see there's a hole over there, the base, like this. Need some scissors to cut this out. So I got this out. This side. So I got one side in, and I need to put the other side. So this side goes this way. So I got both sides attached. Now we're gonna put this thing over here. Let's see if it's this way. So we're gonna put this over here, and it's supposed to be like this. And then put your screws in. Let's see if I can put that with one hand. There you go. So we're gonna attach it with a screwdriver. So I actually did it the wrong way. The shiny side should be down, so I need to remove this. Like how it fits better when you put the dull side down. So don't put it this way. The shiny side, put it down. Put the shiny side down. It should just fit snugly. Tighten it up. So I've tightened it. I tightened the screws on both sides. Sorry, those my 2 boys are with me, so just make sure it's tight. So flip it over. I'm gonna flip it over. This way. So that's how it's gonna look like. We're gonna bring this up until I hear it click. Supposed to. Let me see. I didn't hear it click. Hold on. It's supposed to lock. It's supposed to. Bring this up and then insert it in the hole over there. Push it down until you don't see that thing anymore. Same goes with the other side. There's that thing. You gotta insert it in the hole. I don't know if you can see it, but insert it in the hole. And now it's gonna be sturdy. Now we're gonna put the top part, the base. We have this top piece. So what we're gonna do is, sometimes this one is not attached, so you just gotta figure out how to attach that thing. But it should be able to turn 360 degrees. Now you gotta have to look at this. This is where you're gonna attach this hooks. So they said let me see. I think the shortest is the number 5 is for the smallest baby, and the number 1 is for the tallest setting. So let's try it out. I think I'm gonna start with the shortest because my baby is only 4 months. So let's put that in right now. It pops when it's tight. It pops when you place the hook right. It pops inside. So I got 2 sides in. Make sure it's facing front, not on the side. And then we're gonna do the back here in a little bit. So I got it all set up. It's I think I got this the wrong way. Hold on. Yeah, this one is the right way. I think this one is, and I got it in the wrong. So there, it's ready. And there's the teether. So I'm gonna attach the top toys, for it. Copy where it's placed at. So on this side the leaf, on the other side the fox. So let's put the leaf over here. There's the hook. Just put it at the bottom. Snap. Let's see. There you go. It snaps in. Let's get the other one, Abe. The fox. Can you get the fox? Let's get all the toys. There's the bee, the bumblebee, the fox, and the mirror. So the mirror goes right over here. And there's it says peel this part. We're gonna peel it in a little bit. I think I want it in front. I guess we'll put it here. Let's put the mirror over right here. That's the mirror. And then we're gonna put the fox in the back. Sorry, I'm scared it. And then the last bumblebee, we're gonna put it here in the front. There. So there's all the toys. We're gonna have to put a battery on this thing. So we don't have a battery yet, so I'll just snap it right here. And to remove it, you just press this yellow button, I think. Yeah, this comes right off. So let's try it with the baby. He's a little bit upset, so let's put him in. And we're gonna put the baby in here in a little bit. The Jumperoo. You wanna try the Jumperoo? Yeah? Yeah? Is that you? Let's get it. Let's get it. I think he likes the bumblebee. So he can reach it barely. That's the lowest setting. I think he likes it though. Hey, sweetie. Can you jump, buddy? He's gonna figure it out soon. Let's peel this one. Let's peel a mirror so you can see your face. There you go. Ooh, let's peel the mirror. There's the baby. Ooh. Can turn around, bud. Here we go. You like that bumblebee, buddy? The baby really likes it. He was about to cry, and when I put him in, that thing is keeping him busy. He likes his bumblebee. I'm glad I put it in the front. It was in the back, so he couldn't see it. He doesn't know how to make it turn it. Hey, baby, there's your teether. It's really cute, and each part is each part is pretty sturdy. This thing moves. You can see it's kind of cool, and you could like chew on that, but it doesn't. You can pull it out, but it moves. And then you got teether, and then this thing's supposed to sound, but I don't have AAA battery right now. But he really likes this bumblebee. You like that, Peabody? And there's this cute hedgehog. I don't know what this is for. There's a paper here. I'm gonna remove all that. What is this for, buddy? Oh, this one makes sound. This makes a sound. What's that, bud? And then there's the thing at the back. Oh, but he just loves the bumblebee. You like it, Abe? I hope this review helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.